guys? My name is Brendan, and today I want to present you with a conditioning routine to improve your general fitness. Tricking is an extremely physically demanding sport, so to keep up with that, you have to be constantly conditioning your body. And it doesn't take anything crazy. You can do mostly body weight exercises. This is a routine that I developed that I did just about every day to strengthen my body and improve my tricking performance. It's an extremely good routine. I wouldn't recommend doing it if you're sick, unwell, or ill, but if you feel good, strong, and you want to get better, this is the routine to do. With that said, let's get started. First, I want to teach you guys 5 push-up variations. These are all designed to strengthen your chest and your triceps, muscles that are extremely important for pushing off the ground and twisting in your tricks. We're going to begin with 10 regular push-ups, just normal everyday push-ups with your hands shoulder width apart, going all the way down and all the way back up. This exercise is a staple and extremely important. Next, we're going to do 5 archer push-ups on each side. An archer push-up is a push-up where one hand does a normal push-up and the other one goes out to the side like you're going to shoot a bow. You do them all the way down and all the way back up. It helps train your pec on one side and your tricep on the other. But we're going to do them on both sides. Next, we're going to do 10 diamond push-ups. Diamond push-ups really train your triceps. Put your hands in a diamond position underneath your chest and then go all the way down, touch your nose, and go all the way back up. It's an amazing exercise for your arms. Next, we're going to train our shoulders by doing handstand push-ups against the wall. We're going to be doing 5. If the handstand push-ups are too hard for you, just do mountain push-ups. Push-ups with your butt all the way up in the air, going all the way down and all the way up. These are a great exercise for training your shoulders and getting you to push up off the ground with all of your tricks. Finally, we're going to do 10 bridge push-ups. Push-ups in the bridged position, going all the way down and all the way back up. This exercise is extremely important for back flexibility and will help a ton to develop shoulder mobility. Plus, it'll get your arms really strong for all of your touchdown variations like Sailor Moons or Gumbies. Next, we're going to train 3 lemon squeezer variations. These exercises are extremely important for developing a strong core. Conditioning your abs will help a ton in all of your flipping tricks. We're going to start by doing 10 regular lemon squeezers, extending your body all the way out, then tucking it in, all the while keeping your arms up and your hands by your ears. This exercise is extremely important for developing the muscles you need to tuck and flip. Next, we're going to do 10 straddle lemon squeezers. These are extremely important for hip mobility and core conditioning. It's the same lemon squeezer motion, but you straddle instead of tuck. Finally, the last lemon squeezer we're going to do is 10 pike lemon squeezers. Lemon squeezers in the piked position rather than the tuck or the straddle. These are really important for loosening your hamstring and developing your abs. All of these lemon squeezers will give you all the muscles you need to have very good flips. Next, we're going to do 2 pike lift variations to help train our lower core and our obliques. This is a super good exercise if you want a really good double leg. We're going to start by doing 10 forward pike lifts. The forward pike lift is really good for conditioning your lower core. You just lay down on your back, let your legs relax, lift them into a pike position, and then repeat the motion again and again. Do this 10 times and you will feel it in your abs. Second, we're going to do 10 side-to-side pike lifts. This exercise is extremely important for conditioning your obliques. Doing the side-to-side pike lifts is exactly what it feels like to throw a double leg. Next, we're going to do 3 leg lift variations. These exercises are extremely important for conditioning your hip flexors. Having strong hip flexors will help with all of your kicks and all of your swings. It's extremely important in tricking to have a strong lower body. With that in mind, the leg lifts are an essential exercise. First, we're going to do 10 regular leg lifts just in front of your body. Try and keep your knee straight the entire time. While this is a conditioning exercise for your hip flexors, it will help stretch and relax your hamstrings. Second, we're going to do 10 leg lifts to the side of our body. This is an extremely important exercise if you want to perfect your round kick and your hook kick, because it'll be the hip flexor to your side that lets you lift that leg with nice hip turnover. And third, we're going to do 10 leg lifts behind us. Doing this will help strengthen your glute and get you really good at that eagle motion. Being able to kick your leg behind you, in front of you, and to the side is all very essential to be a complete and holistic tricker. Next, we're going to do an exercise to improve our leg strength and stability, and that is the pistol squat. Doing 5 on each side will help improve your leg's ability to push off the ground and jump you into the air. Not only that, you have to balance on one leg the entire time, going through the full range of motion. It's a difficult exercise and extremely good for improving leg strength and leg stability. Finally, the last exercise we're going to do is extremely important for pointing your toes and jumping off the ground with your entire leg. We're going to do calf raises. Doing 10 on each side while putting your hand to support you against the wall is an extremely beneficial exercise, and you don't need to do it just in this routine. You should do calf raises throughout the day, every day, especially if you want to point your toes. And guys, that completes the entire conditioning routine. This routine is holistic and works almost every pushing muscle in your body from head to toe. If you feel like that wasn't enough and you want to keep conditioning to get stronger, just repeat this routine again and again and again. Doing it 2 or 3 times on every day you're not going to a tricking session will help improve your general fitness a ton, get you stronger and better prepared to perform at your best every time you trick. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a lovely day.